Hi everyone. As you see on my screen right now, I've highlighted some tags. I'm sure you must have come across these kind of tags in all the YouTube videos that you have watched. But do you know what the role of these tags are? These tags are used for YouTube's algorithm to understand the content of a video and then recommend it to the right audience. By doing so, it can boost the YouTube video's visibility. But since we are living in the world of AI, I thought why not automate this process of generating tags since it's quite a tedious process of market research and then targeting the right audience using these tags only. So for this I have created my project Tag Genie. Tag Genie is designed to simplify and automate the entire process of generating relevant tags from YouTube videos. So I'll talk about this flowchart which will explain all the processes that my program will do. So firstly, the actor or the user will share his YouTube file to my program. And the first step includes that converting this video to an audio file, which will be done using MoviePy library. Then after this audio file will be given to OpenAI's Whisper, which will convert it into the transcript. This transcript will be given to Gemini, which will generate relevant tags which are SEO friendly and so that our YouTube videos reach is more. So I'll talk about what is MoviePy, what is Whisper, and how I am using Gemini to automate this process. So right now I'm on the documentation page for MoviePy, and as you have seen from the flowchart before, we are using MoviePy to convert the video file into audio file. Now why I've used this MoviePy is because using only simple lines of code, we can perform a lot of tasks on video, and one of them is directly converting video to the audio file. There are many other tasks which you can perform using MoviePy, and they've highlighted it well in their documentation page. If you want to know how MoviePy is actually performing this, they've also mentioned about this here, and I'm sure that you will visit the documentation and understand more about this. You can also get a lot of example code and what else you can do with MoviePy. There are a lot of example code present in this documentation. So in the later part of the video, I'll be explaining how exactly we are using which code we are using to directly convert the video to the audio file. And right now I'll be moving to OpenAI's Whisper. So we are using Whisper to convert the audio file into a transcript. Now since this is made by OpenAI, they've quite there were like a lot of good documentation present on the actual transformer and how this Whisper is working end to end. And as you can see on on the GitHub page, they've mentioned in detail the comparisons and how you can try it on your own. So I'll just give you an example from the documentation page only. So I'm not sure if you can see the options here. So if I choose K-pop here, so yeah, it is converting this song into English text. So it is quite a useful library, and you do not have to go to the specifics. You can just use this for your own projects. The next thing that I'll be using is Gemini. So there are other open large AI models that you can use, such as ChatGPT or Claude AI. But I thought why not use Gemini for this, and because they have such a good documentation present. If you want to use Gemini in your own projects, you can follow this quick start guide, and you'll obviously need the Google Generative AI library to use it in Python. And the advantages of using Gemini and the different tasks that you can perform is mentioned quite clearly in the documentation itself. And I'll be talking one more thing about the advantage of Gemini is that this Google AI Studio. So you can customize your model basically by giving it some system instructions. So right now I have created an instruction such as this: Gemini is an experienced SEO expert, and its task is to generate transcript high value transcript keywords focusing on high search volume and low competition. So it will return around 50 to 70 keywords, which is approximately 500 word limit for YouTube. So I think it seems a little complicated to make you understand here. So I'll just move on with the demo, and then I'll explain this. Created a Flask application, and if you want to recreate the project or see the code yourself, you can visit the GitHub repository. I'll link it in the description and the comment section. I've started the Python server, and I'll just show you the sample video that I have chosen. So it's the everyday English video.
Honest, I can't complain. I really love the company that I am working for.
Okay, yeah, so this was a sample, and I'll just upload it. I'll just give my name, purpose, personal, email, and I'll just choose this file and generate tags. So I'll cut the video to where the tags are generated. It usually takes around 30 to 40 seconds, and you can set the limit on how much video size is allowed for the processing. And if, as you can see in the logs that I have prepared, Audio file is written here in output.wav. Audio to text transcription successful, and tags are generated. So if you can see the transcript, here is the whole transcript which is generated by Whisper. What's up, Mark? How's the new job doing, etc. So it is the transcript. These are the tags which are generated from it. And if I show you the UI now, see all the tags are generated here: new job, job satisfaction, remote work, work from anywhere. This was all the content of the video. So I'll just explain you the code right now. So on the front end, I have defined the upload file function, basically a route to this, and it will first check if the file is present or not. And I've set the max file size here. You can change it accordingly. And yeah, so I have chosen the video path this, audio path this. It will make a result directory here, as you can see. And firstly, the file is saved in this video path. Input file is saved here, and then the video to audio code is run. So now what it does, it uses MoviePy here. So video clip is firstly converted into the video file clip format, and then it's just simply using a video clip dot audio, which is part of the MoviePy thing. So it gets converted to audio clip, and using the write audio file function defined by movie clip, I have saved this in the output.wav format. And the next thing is audio to text, and audio to text is done using OpenAI's Whisper. So model is loaded, base model. There are several other models available, and then the using this transcribe function, the script is generated, and the result is written in the text file, which is here. Transcript is written here. And the next thing after this is calling the generating the tags. So firstly, the transcribe text is read from the read text from file function, simple function it is here, using with open. And after that, the Gemini code is run, generate tags. So I showed you earlier about the Google AI Studio, and there's an option to get the code there. So I showed you like this, right? You are an experienced SEO expert. Your task is to generate keywords, etc. So this is a template that Gemini will provide you if you click on the Get Code button, and it's just storing the history, and gives it a context on what kind of input and what kind of output we are requiring. So this text file will be given to this function prompt text, and the tags will be generated using this. And after that, I'm just rendering it to the front end. So I've just done a very basic code here. You can expand it here more. You can also output a video file with the subscript, like the captions for the what the YouTuber is saying or something like that. All of this is possible using this. You can also modify this prompt here, so that you can find a better prompt to get more SEO optimized keywords, and you can get an output like this on the front end. So this was all, and I would really love some recommendations or feedback on how I can improve this project. And I would also like if you guys would try to create videos and use this application to generate the tags for it. I'll also generate the tags for this video, and I'll show you the output in the tag section. So thank you for watching, and I hope you will subscribe and share it to your friends and use it in your own college projects. So, and this project is kind of like an open source, and if you want to report any issues or contribute to this, you can contact me on LinkedIn or on my mail, or you can comment down in the video. And please try out this application in the GitHub repository. You can get the code from there, and that's all. And I'll come up with something interesting next project of mine in the next video. So thank you.